Hey everyone! If you're a small business owner looking to dive into the world of Facebook advertising, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to guide you through the basics of setting up your first Facebook ads campaign. Let's get started. First things first, you need to have a Facebook business page. If you don't have one yet, it's quick and easy to set up. Once your page is live, you'll gain access to the Facebook Ads Manager. This is where all the magic happens. Now, navigating through Ads Manager might seem daunting at first, but don't worry, it's simpler than it looks. The first step in creating your campaign is to choose your objective. Ask yourself, what's the goal of your campaign? Are you looking to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, or boost sales? Facebook offers several objectives to match your goals. Next up, targeting. This is a crucial step because it determines who sees your ads. Facebook's targeting options are incredibly detailed. You can target audiences based on location, age, gender, interests, behaviors, and much more. For small businesses, I recommend starting with a local target if you have a physical store, or focusing on specific interests relevant to your products or services. After setting your audience, it's time to decide on your budget. Facebook ads can be run on any budget, and you can set a daily or lifetime budget. A good rule of thumb is to start small and scale up as you begin to see results. Now, let's talk about the creative part, designing your ad. The visuals and copy of your ad are incredibly important. Make sure your images are high quality and eye-catching, and that your ad copy is clear and compelling. Don't forget to include a call to action button like Shop Now or Learn More to direct your audience on what to do next. Finally, once everything is set up, hit that Publish button. But your job isn't done yet. Monitoring and optimizing your ad during its runtime is key. Keep an eye on its performance metrics through the Ads Manager dashboard. Test different versions of your ad to see what works best with your audience and adjust accordingly. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to getting started with Facebook ads for your small business. Remember, experimenting is part of the process. Don't be afraid to try different strategies to see what brings the best results for your unique business. Thanks for tuning in, and happy advertising.